heart, a clean heart, clean home, close to God. Do you know, brethren, that the inspiration said that they needed to have a thorough reformation. Sometimes we neglect this because we say that the thorough reformation is for only leaders reform, health reform, character, and Sabbath reform. But also, this is the part of a thorough reformation. Okay? Yes. Said that they needed to have a thorough reformation. Some are so untidy in their houses that God will not enter their dwelling, for they are unclean inside. So this is the part of a thorough reformation, that God does not want us that we live the untidy or uncleanliness. Okay, their clothing, our persons are filthy. God notices these things, and such untidy, slack persons are not Christians. However, may high be their profession. Without a reform, they will be left to one side, for they cannot go on with God's people. They left their children, do as they please, leave them uncontrolled. So, as a parents, me, just like me, I am a teacher of my kids, and I am the example, so that I will teach them how to be neat and clean. Even my children sometimes are lazy. So, but I try them to give the example how the importance of being a cleanliness. Okay. So, the other brother Dan, I will give another slides. Okay. Maybe this is the last slides, but okay. Okay. The inspiration said that God is not glorified by those whom He has called out of darkness into His marvelous light, being untidy, careless, and slovenly. So, brethren, this is the most important things that we will know, that God does not want us to live being untidy, being careless, being slovenly. Okay? We want to copy to the heavenly pattern as far as order and neatness are concerned. So, if we want to live the kingdom, so first, or in heaven, we must to live first how to become neatness. Yes, because this is the heavenly pattern that the people of God living attractive even in a simple things. Okay, let's continue. Ay, natato. I want that, ito. And if heaven is desirable and attractive, I want that my premises shall be attractive in their simplicity and order. So even we are poor, we are living in a simple ways, brethren, but that is not the reason that we are allowed to live untidy. Okay. Even we living simplicity is enough, but by neatness. Okay. We all need to consider that thoroughness, neatness, and order to should prevail among those who love and fear God. For in this we are recommending our faith. So if we have our faith, if we want to live and follow Jesus, so if we have fear God, so that's the reason, brethren, that we must practice ourselves how to become neatness, especially in our home. Okay, so thank you so much, brethren, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much for the privilege, Brother Dan. I know that I'm not qualified to speak this, but I said, God, that I will use my talent for His glory. Thank you so much.